Indoor ceilings are widely used in office buildings, hospitals, schools, hotels, and other projects, serving not only an aesthetic purpose, but also influencing the light reflection and overall visual quality of the space. Therefore, the flatness, lack of marks, and absence of ripples in the ceiling panels are crucial indicators of the quality of a ceiling system. Zhongtuo Indoor Ceiling Panel Forming Machine is designed to meet these high-quality ceiling requirements, ensuring that the finished product presents a smooth, clean, and mark-free surface under any lighting conditions. The entire production line is equipped with a 4-arm supported, hydraulic decoiler automatic uncoiling system, ensuring that the color steel sheet remains naturally straight before entering the main machine, preventing stress deformation. The feed inlet uses an upper and lower roller pressing structure, ensuring smooth and stable feeding. The rollers, spacers, and shafts are tightly fitted with even pressure, preventing material jitter and damage to the paint surface during the forming process. Zhongtuo Ceiling Panel Machine operates smoothly and produces continuous and reliable ceiling panels. The panels overlap perfectly and are quick and easy to install, providing customers with a continuous supply of high-quality ceiling panels. It is suitable for large-scale engineering projects and long-term stable production for decoration and renovation companies.